Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XPEV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a bit of a pullback day here, but assuming that you are not some sort of day trader or scalper or flipper or whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought up around there, or you bought right there, or I don't know, maybe you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes. Assuming that wasn't your game plan, then overall the chart is still perfectly fine. Yeah, a little bit of annoying. It's always funner when the prices are going up rather than pulling back. But nothing crazy has happened. In fact, from a bigger picture point of view, the price did a fantastic job of honoring that green line that I talked about in previous videos. I mean, you can see the price basically cruise right above there, which is important because actually, let me do this. Let me squeeze down the chart a little bit to offer up why that green line is important and what it kind of tells us about the overall trend. But I mean, with the price just going nicely sideways above that area, that still puts that as the new low. And then you look at the previous low, then you look at the previous low, and then there's even lower lows in this, and I'll just put that down there to represent it. But the point here being, if you envision each of these as stair steps, what do you have from the bigger picture? From the bigger picture, you still very, very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. Again, I realize that if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there, then yeah, you don't really care about these stair steps. But that's why I'm trying to really emphasize the fact that I'm talking about this thing from more of a bigger picture point of view. So that's what, why that level was important and why it was good to see that the price is doing a good job of maintaining right above that 49.50-ish area. Now, if there is any sort of bounces back to the upside, what I'm going to do here is actually just use this red line here as the newest area of resistance, because there's kind of higher priority ones and the near-term priority resistance right there at that $52 mark. So first key level that will need to be cleared before we start talking about more so these levels up around the 54-ish area is let's just see if the price can at least get back up above that $52 mark. But all in all, the trend remains intact. It'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.